Hi guys, it's your girl Felicia from Feast Sew in Peace. I am coming to you from the She Shed today. What I am doing, I tried to do this video last Saturday. Didn't go so well. I was trying to, matter of fact, let me grab it. I was wanting to make this dress last week. For my dad's funeral, I had the fabric from Walmart. This is McCall's M7407, a simple dress. I had a 2-yard bundle from Walmart. I thought it called for 2 yards, but it called for, dress B called for 3 5/8, which is really weird. Dress A is with the shoulder, the sleeves. It calls for 2 3/8, which dress B is without the sleeves, which the one the model is wearing calls for 3 5/8. So it's got to be a misprint. But even the 2 3/8, I didn't have enough, which I probably could have stretched it, tried to make it. But I got discouraged and put it down. But I still have a dress in mind that I want to make. This is calling for knit, which is still made jersey. I have a pattern in mind, that purple dress. I'm gonna insert it, but I can't find it. So I'm back up here again at the She Shed, and I'm gonna look for that pattern because I don't believe it's at the house because I didn't see it. It's somewhere. That's the problem with going in between both houses. So it's somewhere. I'm gonna look again while I'm here for that pattern to see if it's here. But I took the fabric back home. So I haven't sewn in over a month. But the funeral is the 18th. I'm sorry, I'm looking at my ceiling fan. It has a ton of dust. That's another problem. With the floors still not done. I mean, the dust in here is terrible. Me and hubby is talking about he's saying probably the end of the year he's going to retire, and then we're going to try to get up here permanently. So right now, we're just coming up so many weekends, and that's it. So, coming up on weekend is just not enough time to do anything between here and the house, because we're doing stuff in the house too. We're ripping up floors in the bathroom. Little by little, we're just doing little stuff here and there, and it's not enough time. And then I work back home. He works, and yoo-hoo-hoo-hoo. But what I thought I'd do this weekend, I brought up my bling. I wanted to cut out templates. So today is Saturday. We came up Thursday night when he got off of work, which was, well, actually it was Friday morning. He got off at 2 a.m. So we came up at 2 a.m. and slept. But Friday morning I got up, came in here, and I started cutting out templates for my rhinestone shirts. I have been posting, but not on my YouTube channel. I've been posting on Facebook and maybe Instagram, not Instagram, TikTok, maybe. Mainly Facebook, in the Facebook group. The rhinestone shirts I've been doing. But my goal is, once he retires, I've been buying a lot of bling, mainly from Tanya's group, All Dazzle. I'm gonna post it. All Bling Dazzle, something. Hold on. But I didn't bring it. Hold on. Yeah, it is. It's be All Things Dazzle. Well, I'm gonna post her link, but what I did was put them in spice jars. It's she has a bulk buy-in. It's not every month, but if she has enough people that request it, you buy in on the bulk, and this is a $250 gross, which is a good buy. So I've been buying in like that, purchasing pretty good bulks. This is Carpe Blue AB Smoked Topaz. I've been trying to buy like this, so when my husband do, and I think this was a clearance. She has stuff on her website as well as clearance. Alexis, somebody's at my front door. Probably a delivery, and I'm not home. But I've been trying to buy and stock up on my bling, so when hubby retires, I also retire from my job. I won't retire, but I'll quit my job, and I won't be able to purchase anything. So my goal now is to buy. And I also got in an order from the Baby's Booty. That's another one of my, I call Tanya my bling pimp, because I've really been hitting her website hard. But on Eve, her Baby Booty, I watch, of course, I watch Patrice, Crafty, I can't think of her website, her YouTube channel, but I'm sure everybody knows Patrice. And oh gosh, I just told my husband, I think dementia runs in my family, and I think I'm gonna have it, because I can't. I'm already losing bits and pieces, and it's killing me already. But I watch another lady, and her favorite is, Patrice's favorite is Ice Obsidian. So I ordered that, and Ice Onyx. I ordered Patrice's favorite, and my favorite, of course, is purple. I ordered the Violet Ice, because I asked Tanya about the Ice Obsidians, and she said the any of the ice is very expensive, so she doesn't have them on, on her bulk buy-in. So I go to Eve's site and buy the ice. Other than that, I'm trying to stay true to Tanya's website, but I support Tanya, but for the ice, I go to Eve. I'm a Tanya fan, but I go and spend over there as well. So I brought those up here. And I also, ow. I'm gonna kill myself. Not a good day for me. And I also got in the Neon Violet AB and the Neon Purple AB. These all came in Thursday. And then I got two more coming in for Baby's Booty, which is browns, icy brown, mocha, and a chocolate, icy, two chocolate. And then that'll be it that I'm gonna order on Baby Booty. Believe it or not, this was like $700. That's a lot of work. So these are very expensive. So yeah, I'm going to put my work in. I'm going to, somebody's blowing my phone up. I'm definitely going to put the work in and start selling my stuff to make my money back. But I kind of wanted to show what I was doing, my haul video. Yesterday, again, what I was trying to do yesterday was start on the templates. Templates wasn't going my way. I'm not going to trip this time. The Graph Tech, I was doing the templates on the Graph Tech yesterday. Every time it started out on the Graph Tech, it would stop. Let's see if I have one. Where would I was cutting out tailor-made design, her mama's design. Oh, I want to make that so pretty, so much. It's that ombre effect when it mama and it cuts in mama grate or something like that. But it started cutting. I done chopped it, but it started right here cutting the holes. You can't even see because it didn't want to cut the holes out real good, but that's as far as it got, and it stopped. The graph tech just stopped completely. So I rebooted my computer, went to a different design because it did this the other day, and I said, okay, maybe it's this design on Mama. So I went to a different design that I've had Crystal. I bought like 3 or 4 of her designs, and I'll post hers that I've had good luck with. It was a cross. He has risen. I wanted to make that and maybe wear it today. Yeah, I was gonna plan on wearing it today. So I was cutting it, and it stopped on the cross. Maybe got to the second row, it stopped. After I rebooted the computer. I said, okay, let me go to the Cameo. I have a Cameo 4, and it's set in the box for like 2 years. Pulled it out last week. Last week it was cutting kind of funny, gave up on it last week. I said, okay, today I'm gonna get it out and cut it. Well, it cut out. I went to a different design. This is Crystal's design as well. Again, I'll post her information. And this is Faith. This is just one layer of Faith. I'm just gonna cut the other part out. Did I cut the other part out? No, I didn't cut the other part out. Okay, mind you, this is supposed to be 10SS design. So I cut that out. I cut the Faith out. Laid it down. Now I was gonna layer it with these, again, purple's my favorite color, so I was going with the purple, layered it in there. It would not fit in these holes at all. Knowing, you know, these are quality stones. I had to get my stone setter and lay every one of them in there. I was like, this is not right. So for some reason, it didn't cut these stones the right size on the Cameo 4. And I don't know why. So the other part to it, I got ready to cut it. And what happened? I can't even remember what happened. I just gave up. So I turned off everything, closed the lights out, and left out last night. So this is my first time back in here today. So I am claiming a better day today. And I just kind of want to show you my setup. Last week I had did this in the video last week, but I didn't upload because I had such a bad time last week because I spent so much time on this. I cut it out, ironed it, wasted so much time on the video. It just didn't happen. But I want to show you what my hubby bought me last week. We went to the floor store and bought the floor for the bathroom. And I spotted this at the floor store. My cabinet. This is what I wanted. This countertop, we got it on clearance for $55. And see, at first I had my table for my sewing machine here, and then I had a fold-up table going this way when I had my serger on it. Now I have another machine back in Oklahoma that had my baby lock. And when I come back, this was my original goal I wanted. I'm sorry, I'm cold, kept my fan on, heater on. I wanted all my machines to sit on the table. I wanted all my machines sitting here, the length of this. So now I have Go back. I have room for another machine. Originally, I wanted smaller bottom pieces here because I wanted to be able to roll in between. Now I don't have much, you see, don't have much space there. I don't have much space in between to roll, just that little space. But somehow I'm still going to, my baby lock has her own desk at home. So I think I'm gonna move that some kind of way over. Put my baby lock there. I'm gonna keep the bath there. Overlocker. I have another serger at home, and I have the Bernina at home. So I think I'm gonna have the Bernina, the other sewing machine here. Put the overlocker and the other serger on this desk here. And scoot this over in the baby lock table here. And then I have the Juki. This is the Juki. Keep thinking you're turning with me. It doesn't turn too well. Juki here, and then I have room. I may put the Graph Tech. Scoot the Juki to the wall and put the Graph Tech right here. Because right now the Graph Tech is sitting here in the way. But I do like it here as I'm working on the templates. I could put it over there, but it has to be connected where the computer would set to it. But I'm liking how it is right now. But once I get back into the sewing, I gotta be able to maneuver the sewing in the area. But I just wanted to kind of update you on what's going on. So that's kind of an 18-minute video. So I'm gonna stop it right there, and I'm gonna hopefully have a better day with the Graph Tech, getting my templates cut. Wish me luck, and I'm gonna get this uploaded so I can get my day started. And I got ribs on the smoker, so I'm gonna be running back and forth. And hubby, we went to Home Depot. He's gonna finally get my, you can see the windows. He's gonna get the frames, or not the frames, but the, yeah, it's the frame, and oh, got a wasp up there. The things around the windows, he's going to get those put in today because they're in the car. That's his goal today. I'm letting him rest right now, take a nap, but I'm getting ready to get on him too so he can get on it. But that's it. I'm going to get to work. Y'all have a wonderful, blessed day.